Hi guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new. My name is Aria and in today's video we're gonna do a huge Amazon haul. I think I have not quite everything. There's just some things that are not gonna make it here in time. But between me and my husband, we did a lot of shopping during Amazon Prime Days and I thought it would be really fun. At least it's fun for me. I hope you find it fun too, but you know. But I thought I would share what we got from Amazon over these past few days. With the outage that happened with, what is it, CloudStrike? But there was, if you know, you know. I'm recording this on Monday, July the 22nd. And on Friday, there was a huge cyber attack outage that impacted everything from airlines to businesses, banks, and everything. My job was impacted. Lots of things were impacted. And apparently that also includes some of Amazon services. And I saw the notification that some of my packages that were Prime and that should have been here the next day, I won't get until some will trickle in later today, tomorrow, the next day, and the next day. So I'm going to go ahead and just share what we got. I'm going to share things that I picked up, things that my husband's picked up. And yeah, let's have fun talking all things Amazon. Now, I'm not a huge Amazon Prime pusher, like for Prime Day deals and stuff. I do shop Amazon a lot. But I'm not somebody who's like, you have to get this, you have to get this. Because the great thing about Amazon is that the deals are always there. And some people complain about Prime Day deals. They feel like they're not dealing enough. But the things that I got, I've been watching. Most of the things that I got, I've watched over time. And my stuff was on sale. So I know a lot of times we want like a Prime Day sale to be like 75% off, 90% off. That's not realistic, not in these days and times. But I'm rambling. If you like videos like this, big thumbs up is always so helpful. It's always so beneficial and grateful for it. Subscribe if you're not already. But I'm excited to share the deals in no particular order, but let's just get started. I'm gonna start with what's here next to me. And the first thing is this bracelet. Let me get up close and personal with you so you can see the bracelet. I've had this in my cart for the longest time. It comes in 3 different sizes and I feel like I got either the smallest size or the medium size because I actually have really small wrists. My husband always talks about my baby wrists, but I have small wrists in relation to like my body, I guess. But I think this is very much the look for less. If you know, you know. There's a very popular brand that has a bracelet like this. So even my daughter was like, when did you get that bracelet? I was like, it's Amazon. She was like, oh, because I was wondering. So yeah, I got this. This is really cute. I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna try not to say I got this from Amazon because obviously everything I got is from Amazon. No particular order. Some things have not been unboxed, as you can see. So this is my angel number necklace, 444. I have a lot of different numbers that mean something to me, but I really just like 444. 444, 888. Those are my main ones that I really like, but I've been eyeing a couple of necklaces that are like this, and I saw this one. I like the more like the balloon numbered style of this. A lot of the other ones were a different style of number, so I picked this one up. Really, really cute. I have had my eye on an initial necklace that's similar, that has the bubble style, so I think that would be really cute to wear those together. Another piece of jewelry that I got that I'm not 100% sure if I want to keep is another necklace. It's a cross. I just feel like it's so small. It's a lot smaller than I anticipated. I haven't tried it on yet. I expected it to be a little bit larger, but if you were looking for a dainty type of cross, this might be up your alley. And I still might keep it because it was like very, very inexpensive, and just still be on the lookout for a larger one that might go with a different, look. Sometimes you might want more dainty jewelry and sometimes you might want something that's a little bit larger. So should we go to the Big Daddy? Let's go to the Big Daddy. Now, you guys know I'm here on YouTube. It's very important to me to continue to do what I can to harness the craft of creating video content. And that includes upgrading into a new camera. Now, I am recording you right now on my phone. I have recorded every piece of content on my YouTube channel on my phone, and I am ready to be able to take it up a notch and have a camera. So I have been eyeing this. I've had this in my cart for a long time. I've watched the price. This was not a Prime Day deal, but it went on sale during Prime Day. It doesn't have to say in big red Prime Day deal for it to be a deal. Like if you see the price has gone down and it's gone down a significant amount, not like 5% or 10%, it is now a sale. And when you've been watching something for a long time, you can see that things don't always go on sale, or what their normal sale amount would be. It may not be a large amount, but this one went on sale. It went on sale. So I bought it. This is a Sony ZV-E10. I had originally wanted the Sony ZV-1 as my video camera, also for taking pictures, but the Sony ZV-1 has the lens that it comes with. It does not allow you to switch out the lens. This does let you allow you to switch out the lens, and it comes with a kit lens. So this is like your standard lens. I did buy another lens that I did not get from Amazon. I actually picked it up from Best Buy because Best Buy was price matching Amazon. The main thing that I really wanted as far as crispness of my content and just good quality, I can't see you. Like, I'm just hoping that I'm still in frame. Like, you know, I'm in my living room, my TV is not on, so I'm kind of going off of what I can kind of see in the TV reflection, but I don't like that. And this will allow me to be filming myself and seeing what you see, so I can make sure I'm in frame, because there's nothing worse than, because I know, and if you have ever made content, then you know as well, there's nothing worse than creating the content, filming it all, and then realizing that you weren't really in frame the way that you wanted to be, or maybe you were chopped off from here up. So I'm really, really excited. I got the camera. That's a big deal for me. To go along with that, I did pick this up. I really wish this just came with it. It doesn't, but this is kind of a vlogger kit. And so basically it allows you to have like a mini stand if you need to, which isn't my necessary need. I don't necessarily need a tripod because I have a couple of tripods. You're on a tripod now on my phone. But the main thing is it's not a gimbal, but it gives you like a handheld thing, and you can kind of do everything from down here. So that's really good. And it goes with the camera. So it's made for the camera. This was not on sale. This is the only thing that I got from Amazon during this whole time that was not on sale. But because I went ahead and got that, I wanted to go ahead and have everything that I needed at once. None of this stuff is going to be in any kind of order. This is just me sharing. And so I wanted to try, I saw an influencer share this on Facebook. I have heard about this brand for magnesium. If you've seen my other YouTube videos about Amazon hauls, you've seen that I have the other one that's in the blue label, the dark bottle with the blue label, and I've been using that. But I've heard really great things about this particular brand, so it was on sale. I figured I'd give it a try, and it is more expensive generally than the other bottle that I use, but if this is really good, if I can really feel the difference and tell the difference, then I will definitely pick whichever one is doing what I need to do. This is one of my husband's purchases. This is something that, like, if you have a truck specifically, and it's kind of like a lap desk. So kind of like, think like an airline tray that folds out. And so you can have, it hooks up to the wheel here, and you can have a cup holder and a place, like if you're eating something or what have you. So he got this for his work truck for when he's in between things and he's just sitting there. So that's what this is for. We're not done buying travel things, apparently. I got this Bag Smart bag. Organizer for your jewelry. So you can put rings. I don't have a lot of rings, but you could put your rings on here. It snaps off. You put your rings up there and you snap it back on. There's a zipper pouch here. You could use this for bracelets, attach bracelets, necklaces, things of that nature. Have a zipper pouch here to put things in. Another zipper pouch that's clear so you can put things in. And then I have the version that allows you to store your necklaces here. So you would put your necklace here and then you would tuck it through and stick it down there. That way nothing gets tangled up. Snaps, has a magnetic snap. So depending on, you know, what you end up using as far as when you're traveling, it's nice to have something. So that way I'm not just like bare since I started wearing necklace. I'm not wearing anything today, but I started wearing necklaces and bracelets and things a little bit more frequently. So I figured let's go ahead and get that. Don't judge me on this, okay? You're gonna think it kind of strange that I picked this up, or you're gonna think that I'm a genius. Either way, I agree, okay? So I have a TikTok account and I've been sharing things on the TikTok shop. And one of the things that I've been sharing that I did not include in this video because I got it before Amazon Prime Days was a Kindle remote. Yes, a Kindle remote that you use when you're cozied up, reading your Kindle, and you don't want to be bothered to take your hand and click to go to the next page. You might say, well, Aria, that sounds pretty crazy and lazy. And I'll tell you that I don't use it, like if I'm sitting here reading, I'm not using that, right? If I'm laying on the couch reading, I'm not using that. But when I'm tucked into bed and I have it really cold, because I need it to be cold for me to go to sleep. I have it really cold. I have my blanket pulled up underneath my neck, underneath my chin. It's very annoying to click because I have my Kindle propped up on a pillow. So it's very annoying to click, to pull out my hand out from under where it's warm, out into the cold, to press to go to the next page. First world problems, 100%. However, I got this. This is perfect. So you can put your phone, this does expand, right? Your iPad, your Kindle, and depending on how you want it, you know, and you can tilt it. It can tilt in different ways depending on how you like it. So here's what you do. This bowl is for your snacks. I don't eat in bed, not like anything that I could put in a bowl anyway. So if you want a snack, then fine. But that's what this is for. You put your snacks, you have your pillow, you have it set up how you want it, the perfect angle. You have your Kindle in it. Then you have your remote. Underneath the blanket, you have your remote in your hand. And that's how you are cozy for a night in reading. This is gonna be so good during the fall and winter, y'all. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. If you follow me or TikTok, or you might even follow me, most of my shop videos are seen by people who don't follow me. But I'm telling you, I would have never even looked into this. I would have never seen anything like this. But when I shared the video on my TikTok about the remote for the Kindle, I had so many comments, people saying, you have no idea until you get the Kindle stand. So I got it. And I'm glad. So yeah. Let me take a quick moment to share a couple of other things that I don't have in front of me right now. Number one is I got an outfit from Amazon that I got intentionally to travel in. I may end up finding some other variations, but I do like this. This is my first piece of fashion that I've ever gotten from Amazon. I've just never purchased fashion from Amazon. I was following an influencer who shared this and it was on sale during Prime Days, so I did get it. I've also shared on my Amazon storefront and my LTK and my TikTok and everywhere, okay? I've shared it everywhere except for YouTube. My thoughts on it. Now, I do like the fabric. I do like that it's not itchy or scratchy, which has been my concern with buying things from Amazon, but I really do like it. And I feel like it fit true to size. I got in an extra large. I am currently a size 16 and I got an extra large and it does fit true to size. I will say it did not have another size higher, which would have been nice for the bottom just so they could be a little bit more flowy. I have it in this light beige option and I feel like it shows a little bit more of like the dimpling in my legs and stuff, whereas maybe a darker color would not show that. So I am gonna try another alternative option for it, but I really did like it. I got so many compliments on it and so many people liked it so much. So I This is not my first foray. This won't be my last foray into Amazon fashion. I actually have a shirt that I probably won't get until tomorrow, but I did find another piece because another influencer influenced me and was really raving about this particular shirt. So I'm going to give it a try and see how I like it. And if I do like it, then I will share it with you and also end up buying more fashion from Amazon. Because when you can find the good stuff, you definitely want to find the good stuff. So that's one thing. Another item that we got that I definitely can't show you in person because of the weight of them was a set of weights. My husband got this set of weights, and you can switch out the little plates on it. So you can have them as barbells or dumbbells. And then you can also add an extender to make it large for like an actual, like a barbell. I was right the first time. So barbell for the long, dumbbells for the short. So he got that. Him and Jordan are going to be using that. And then the other thing that my husband picked up is a phone charger, the kind that you can do the AirPods, Apple Watch, and iPhone charger all in one. He's been having issues with the charging port in his phone, and his phone can do the MagSafe charging, so he got that and he has been loving it. Now everybody in the house wants one. I wouldn't mind getting one, but I don't have a problem with my phone charger. But my phone is MagSafe capable, so I could get that, but I don't have the AirPods that are, my AirPods are the first generation or the second generation. They're not able to be the MagSafe type of charge, and none of us have Apple Watches. I forgot to mention that I did also get this from Prime Days. This is a phone stand that you can attach to the mirror, and it comes with a selfie light. So I did this for my content that I mostly create when I'm on TikTok, but I love this too. Okay, the last thing I have to share with you today is this set from Rachel Ray. Now, we already have Rachel Ray cookware for our primary set of pots and pans. And if you were here in my last video, I shared that I was looking to see if I could find a good deal on some cookware during Prime Days. And this went on a really good sale. I think it went about $60, $70 off. And I'm glad. I just took this out of the box, so I'm a little out of breath. They had this thing wrapped up. So here's the thing. It comes with a lot of pots and pans. So 8.5 and a 10-inch skillet, the 1 quart, 3 quart saucepan, the 3 quart sauce covered saute, and the 6 quart, I'm from New York. Technically I am, but not really. So 6 quart covered stock pot, and then a couple of utensils. And that's what I got from Amazon during the Prime Day sale. Like I said, there's a few things that are still trickling in. So if I share anything from that, then I'll probably share that on another social channel. So we'll see. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you got any good deals during Prime Days in the comments down below. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. I really, really appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.